Hello and welcome to Thailand Travel Slideshow. This clip is about the Pak Khlong Flower Market in Bangkok's Chinatown. In large fluorescently lit halls, thousands and thousands of flowers are sold wholesale. People are stringing together marigold and jasmine flowers to form the Puan Malai, the garlands that are used for Buddhist offerings. Where there's hard work and lots of business going on, there's always, of course, the need to eat. We're outside on the streets of Pak Khlong Flower Market now, where dozens and dozens of shops sell beautiful, colorful bouquets. Even plastic flowers are for sale, but we prefer the real thing. You're invited to join the colors of Pak Khlong Flower Market in Bangkok's amazing Chinatown. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed our slideshow. Please like, subscribe and share. Thanks a lot. For more presentations, please visit our YouTube channels World Travel Slideshow and Asia Travel Slideshow. Thank you.